everybody, this is your chef Harpal Singh Sokhi. How have you been doing? I'm cooking some exotic quinoa khichdi. Now quinoa is something which has been there for quite some time. In an everyday meal, if you want something which is very exciting, then this is it. To make quinoa khichdi, quinoa 2 cups for a family of 4, lentil, moong dal 1 cup soaked, ghee 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 onion chopped, 1 large tomato chopped, a small carrot cut into cubes, 8 to 10 French beans, a small cauliflower florets boiled if you want, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of green peas which could be frozen or boiled, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 red chilies, 2 green chilies that are chopped finely, salt to taste, a little bit of coriander powder, about 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, Garam Masala 1 teaspoon, and if you like very spicy, then you can add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now with everything, what I've done is quinoa soaked 2 cups. Mind you, I said quinoa soaked 2 cups. Okay, you need to wash it well, soak it. Ghee goes in here, and to the ghee I'm going to add cumin seeds, green chili, onions chopped, whole red chili. I actually don't have to brown the onions, hence I'm quickly adding ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute after adding ginger garlic paste. Onion you can saute for about 3 to 4 minutes, and tomato add in here. Along with this, all the spices, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, and after adding the spices, I need to saute for another 2 minutes, and salt to taste. While adding salt, you can always do namak shamak dal dete hain. Yes, you can always do that. Now after adding the spices and sauteing for 2 minutes, I need to add soaked quinoa and the soaked moong dal. To this I'm adding 3 cups of water, and maybe keep some water handy, warm water as required. If the khichdi turns out to be very thick, I can always add more. And now cover and cook this for about 20 minutes until the quinoa is nice and soft and the lentil, moong dal, is completely mashed. So we need to wait for 20 minutes. The khichdi is almost getting done now, but let's check before doing anything. The quinoa is nice and soft. The lentil, not everything has mashed up, so I would still require water, hot water, 1 more cup going in. Like I said before, that you need to keep some hot water handy. So initially I added 3 cups, and then I added another 2 cups of hot water, just to ensure that the lentil gets cooked and mashed up like you would enjoy a khichdi. So now this would be final, but I want it to get cooked well and the lentil to be mashed. Then I'll add the vegetables. Now I didn't add the vegetables initially for the sheer fact that I'm using boiled vegetables here. So if they are raw, then add in between so that the vegetables also get cooked. When they are boiled, you can add in the last so that they retain the nice color. So we'll wait for another 3 to 4 minutes until the khichdi is finally done. So it takes about 22 to 25 minutes in total. The khichdi should be done. In a pressure cooker, it's easier and faster. You can choose that also. You can do it in a pressure cooker. Maximum 3 whistles and your khichdi is ready. So now the khichdi is almost done, and there you go. Remove the lid and add all the vegetables. And I'll add some coriander chopped also, 2 tablespoons, just to get that fresh feeling. Mix it up well. So the advantage of adding boiled vegetables is that it makes you look fresh and green. So that's the bigger advantage. You can always steam them if you like the vegetables. I am closing this now. This is ready to serve. Khichdi is ready. Quinoa Khichdi. And to garnish, some coriander leaves. You can add a blob of desi ghee if you love it. And Quinoa Khichdi is ready. Healthy to the T. Don't worry about the ghee. Ghee is considered to be healthy. All the medical science that we have been hearing these years was not so correct. So in moderation, it's right to digest. It's fantastic. It'll help you. And this is definitely going to help you. So go ahead and enjoy Quinoa Khichdi.